Good morning, children. Today we are going to see lesson number 13 worksheet. Text reading. Chapter 13, Our Festivals. The children in the above picture are celebrating a festival. We all celebrate festivals. A festival is a special time for religious or other celebrations. People wear new clothes, eat special food, and have lots of fun. They visit friends and families and exchange gifts and sweets. We celebrate many festivals in India. Some religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. It is a festival of lights. People decorate their houses with lights, candles, and diyas. They worship Goddess Lakshmi on this day. Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. People go to mosques and pray. Everyone wishes each other Eid Mubarak. Gurupurab. Gurpurab is an important festival of the Sikhs. It is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. People light up their houses and go to the Gurdwara to pray. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by Christians every year on 25th December. It marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to the church to pray. They decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts and cakes. Children wait for Santa Claus to give them presents. Celebrating together. There are some days which are important for our country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These days are celebrated by everyone in the country and are holidays for all. On Independence Day and Republic Day, people sing the national anthem and hoist the national flag. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Our values. We should respect all festivals. We should not make fun of other people's festivals. We should specially greet our family, friends, and even people who help us at home and in school on festivals. Now let us see worksheet. Missing letters. First one, FE-TIV-L. FESTIVAL festival. Number 2, CEL-BR-TE. CELEBRATE celebrate. Number 3, R-LIG-OUS. RELIGIOUS religious. Number 4, EX dash HAN dash E. EXCHANGE exchange. Number 5 D dash WAL dash DIWALI Diwali. Number 6 G dash RDW dash RA GURDWARA Gurdwara. Number 7 CHR dash STM dash S CHRISTMAS Christmas. Number 8 IND dash PEND dash NCE INDEPENDENCE Independence. Number 9 R dash MZ dash N RAMZAN Ramzan. Number 10 GAN dash HI JA dash ANTI GANDHI JAYANTI Gandhi Jayanti. Next bit is fill in the blanks. A dash is a special time for religious or other celebrations. A festival is a special time for religious or other celebrations. Number 2, we celebrate many dash in India. We celebrate many festivals in India. Number 3, Diwali is celebrated by dash. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Eid is celebrated by dash. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Gurpurab is an important festival of the dash. Gurpurab is an important festival of the Sikhs. Number 6, Christmas is celebrated by dash. Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Dash Day is celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Number 8, Dash Day is celebrated on 26th January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Number 9, Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Number 10, Dash is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Now, write T for true or F for false. Number 1, festivals are a time of joy and celebrations. Answer is true. Diwali is a festival of lights. Answer is true. Eid is celebrated by Christians. Answer is false. Muslims go to Gurdwara to pray. Answer is false. We should respect all festivals. Answer is true. Next bit is match the following. Questions: Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Answers: 15th August, Sikhs, Muslims, Hindus, 2nd October, 26th January. Now let us match. Diwali, Hindus. Eid, Muslims. Gurpurab, Sikhs. Independence Day, 15th August. Republic Day, January 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Okay children, let us wind up. Take care. Thank you.